To set the prices for the machine, first press the square service mode in the back of the machine. You can set prices for the machine by each item, by row, or a price for the whole machine. To set the price for each individual item, press 5 for the pricing menu. Press 1 to enter an item you would like to price. Then enter the item number you would like to price. Follow up by putting in the correct price for that item. Press pound to save the price. You can then repeat entering item numbers followed by the new price. Be sure to press pound to save each price. Pressing star 3 times will exit. You can then punch in an item number to see the new price. To set price by row, press 5 for pricing menu, and then press 2 to set the price by row. Press the row number and the desired price. The top row is row 1. Press pound to save the price. Pressing star 3 times will exit. You can then punch in an item number to see the new price. To set price for the whole machine, press 5 for the pricing menu, and then press 3 to set the whole machine. Type the price and then hit pound to save. Pressing star 3 times will exit.